Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here again with a beautiful batch idea, and this is for the teachers, and you can make this batch easily at home, that too within 5 minutes and with the materials that are easily available at home. So let's start. So here it is friends, our 3 batches are done. Best teacher ever, super teacher, world class teacher. So make this kind of batch and give to your teachers on this Teachers Day. Isn't it was easy to make with a sellotape and just paper? It is really very easy to make. You can recreate it within 5 minutes and this becomes waterproof with the sellotapes as well. So please do comment me which one is your favorite, and do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.